In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner to manage your project effectively. First things first, you'll want to log into your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, look for the Microsoft Planner icon. Usually it's right there in your app dashboard. Click on it. This will take you straight to the main Planner hub. Now let's create a new plan. You'll see a new plan option. Click on it. You can kick things off either from scratch or use one of the available templates, which can be a real time saver if you're looking for some direction. If you choose a template, it can help lay the groundwork and give you a predefined structure, which might be helpful, depending on the complexity of your project. Once you've settled on creating your plan, you'll need to give it a descriptive name. This name should reflect the essence or goal of your project. Think about how your team can easily identify what it's about just by reading the title. Next, you have the option to either create a new Microsoft 365 group or use an existing one. This step will mainly depend on whether you're starting entirely fresh or if you're integrating this plan with ongoing operations. One of Planner's effective features is creating buckets to organize your tasks better. You can set these up to represent different phases of your project, like to do, in progress, or completed. It's a great way to visualize where everything stands and keep things tidy. Within any bucket, click Add Task to start building out your work items. When you expand a task, the details matter. This is where you'll add a description, set a due date, and determine the priority level of each task. It's also crucial to assign tasks to team members so everyone knows who's doing what. You can even break down larger tasks into subtasks or to-dos to ensure nothing gets missed and everything is manageable. As the tasks are underway, updating their status is key. You can mark them as not started, in progress, or completed. Additionally, using labels can help in further categorizing tasks. For instance, you might have labels like high priority or needs review, making it easy to understand at a glance what requires immediate attention. To keep track of progress, Planner offers visual charts that illustrate how tasks are distributed by status, bucket, or member. This is helpful for both team members and project managers alike to monitor the overall project progress comprehensively. Don't forget, you can attach relevant files directly to tasks for easy access, creating a central hub of information related to the specific task. Lastly, Microsoft Planner is neatly integrated with Microsoft Teams, which means you can chat about any task right within the context of your running conversation, keeping every detail in one place without having to jump between different apps. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of using Microsoft Planner to manage your projects proficiently. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to maximizing productivity and ensuring your project runs smoothly. Happy planning!